to install the Simkit library. Now, the download for this is located on your Sakai site. Again, this is for those of you using Java with Netbeans. So go to the Sakai site and go to Resources and Downloads, and you will see a zip file there that all you need to do is just download that. And when it is ready, you just have to open it up, unzip it. If you're on Windows, you have to go through that little dance. Now, we don't have to do anything yet with that. Go right back to Netbeans and right-click at the top of your project and go all the way down on the pop-up to Properties. And then on the left side, select Libraries. And we want to select create a new class path library. So click on this little plus that's kind of to the right of class path, and we want to add a library. Now, if you don't see this copy libs task, then that means that you haven't, that you forgot to check that lib button when you were creating the project. That's not, we can recover from that, but it takes a little bit of doing. Contact me and we'll work through that. But for right now, we want to create a new project. You can call it Simkit. Just the thing about Simkit is the K is not capitalized. Just that's, some people try to capitalize it, but okay. So there are three parts to a library here. We have the jar file, which are the compiled classes, the source file, and the Java doc, if those are available, and they happen to be available. So click Add Jar. And then what we want to do is we want to find wherever you downloaded it. In this case, it was in Downloads, and then somewhere. Okay, so here you want the 1561. The 155 is the previous one. So here for this, you want to select just the Simkit jar file, not the two zip files. So you select that, and are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Now next, you can click on the sources, and it says add jar, but the source is Simkit-src for source, and we add that. And then finally, the Java doc will add the zip, and that's Simkit doc. So those are all the Java docs in that. So these are compiled. These are the classes. You don't strictly need the sources or the Java doc, but those are very convenient if you want to see what's going on. If you're successful, you have seen it here. We add the library, make sure you okay that. And here's, so now we basically need to test it. Notice that there are the three added ones, and then the NB library, the properties files have been updated. So notice that those are in blue. And our hello world for Simkit is actually just going to be a plain Java class called the arrival process, all one word. The superclass for that is something called sim entity base. And if these things come up, you want to just select the sim entity base. Notice there's some other ones, but there are different options. And so if we finish on this, and if you've made it to this, if it makes it to here, then it has been successful. And then at this point, what you can do is you want to, we can actually commit this. So we added Simkit library, and we will commit that. And then remember, okay, now Netbeans seems to have this little thing to indicate that we've committed locally here, but have not pushed it. So do git remote push to make sure it gets up to our project. And so main update. And now we are good with that.